So this is our cross section of the spinal cord, and this particular close-up is missing the nerve roots, so the one below is showing us with the nerve root themselves coming out. So let's look at the close-up cross section and orient ourselves first. This is the central canal, and here are the structures of gray matter within this cross section. But first, to be able to do that, we need to find out which is anterior versus posterior. Now there is a posterior median sulcus and an anterior median fissure. So this would mean that this is the anterior or ventral gray horn. These are the lateral horns. And this is the dorsal or posterior gray horns. The attachment to either side is known as the gray commissure, and of course that hole we said was the central canal. So if I were to follow this nerve root out, because we said this was posterior, I would see, which is down here on this side, I would see that there is a bump, and that represents the dorsal root ganglion, which then becomes further on, if I were to continue on this model, it would just be the dorsal nerve root. This would represent the ventral nerve root, and it doesn't have a ganglion, and then it would go exit to the front. Now when they combine or exit together, they look like they combine, and then that is known as the spinal nerve when they exit the bony structure.